Hi everyone, this is Kibo Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad gawa natin reaction video ang Barda compilation. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ano to yung mga Barda?
Nakita ko
Ito yung mga
clip.
crumbs
Ang
na lang
cute-cute
to.
ni David kasi parang
Ay,
kahit siya, ha?
bakit naman cute na cute? Bakit naman cute na cute, ma'am? Ay, ano to? What's going out feels like after breaking up with someone you thought when you're going to spend the rest of your life. Ang ganda ng teaser, no? Wala, parang feeling ko ang lala ng pagdadaanan ni ano dito, ni Cherry. Kasi, imagine dumating na sila sa point na magpapakasal sila. Parang true to life story, no? Na parang syempre bago ka magpakasal, you have to know the person first. Hindi lang yan 1 year, 2 years kayo magkakasama. Siguro more than 5 years pa bago kayo magpakasal. Siguro in a relationship siya dito kay Khalil. And then right after that, alam niya talaga na si Khalil, ay isura ni Khalil dito, very, very prim and proper eh. Di ba? Mabait. Siguro ang pagkakakilala niya talaga kay Khalil dito, mabait. Tapos, she found out na nag-cheat pala sa kanya si Khalil. Hala, ang lala. Ang lala. Parang ano, no? Parang true to life story. Parang ang lala. Anyways, ay! Ano to?
Pero baby kita.
iPhone. Nahihiya siya. Pumitiyak talaga siya. Pumitiyak pa talaga siya sa baby. Ang cutie din talaga ng Shopee nila. Hindi naman sila nag-renew sa Shopee. Okay. Sana all binubuhat. Sana all talaga binubuhat. Nila. Layag na layag talaga sila. Kaya threaten yung ibang ano sa kanila eh. Threaten talaga sa kanila eh. Kasi alam talaga nila yung puwersa ng Barda. Once na nag-comeback to, iba ang puwersa nila. Adelina. Mga bagong edits to, Barda pa rin. Diba? Kumapit lang kayo at may aabangan talaga tayo. Kumapit lang talaga kayo. Barda pa rin talaga. Barda pa rin. No one can take that away from us. Barda pa rin hanggang mag-violet. Wow!
I am my own person. At patutunayan kong nakuha ko ang lahat ng ito
Kasama na po
my own
legacy.
hard work. And not just by my birthright.
Gwapo ni
Wonderful
David.
Legacy, The Family Fortune.
Family
Coming this
Fortune pala.
January on GMA.
Ay! Ano to? Wait, when was this? Cutie! Cutie! Ay! Cute siya dito. Cutie naman yung David namin. Kadayawan Festival. Kadayawan pala to yun. Ay, ayun pa picture. Yung mga tao sigaw ng sigaw. Lagi.
Balikan mo ng hirap buhay. Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon at
Cutie. Baby talaga siya, no? May kumakanta. Sino kasama yun? Si Barbie? Kadayawan Festival. Si Barbie ba? This was 2024 eh. Anyways.
Mamili ka ba kung saan galing yung babae? O okay sa'yo?
Wait.
Papili ka ba kung saan galing yung babae? O okay sa'yo galing sa motivation natin? Madayos na mga babae kahit saan basta same values. Saka yung maalag-alag. Sure, matanda na tayo kaya naglalagay sa atin.
Barbie kasi she's the type na very caring.
David's girlfriend. Parehas kami. Yeah, yun yung aming mom girl talaga.
Happy talaga sila yung kanta.
Couldn't sing. I also hope na nagustuhan ni
Na?
Barbie. Just know talaga if you love the person eh.
Bakit kailangan talaga ng validation ni Barbie kung wala naman kayong something? Ay, hopefully na gusto talaga ni Barbie. Ba?
I also hope na nagustuhan ni Barbie. Just know takes time.
Diba?
Hi Philippine Star
Kung wala naman
readers,
kayong
it's
sabi,
David
bakit kailangan ng
Licauco and
validation?
inviting you all to listen to my newest single, I Think I Love You, now out on all streaming platforms.
Congrats, David, from Pambansang Binondo.
Ito pa bansang singer, gano'n.
Pambansang singer. Pambansang singer. Pambansang singer.
Naman the experience releasing that song via PBB.
Well, it was my first time to actually hear the song in BB, right? Parang yun na yung final, diba? Kasi at the start, parang may mga minor edits pa with regards to like the melody and stuff. So, at first, I was pretty shy, definitely, to the housemates, also like to Dustin, na syempre, kaibigan ko yun eh. Hindi naman yun expect na magiging singer ako. Ay, magkakaroon ako ng single, right? So, yun, I was really shy. But then eventually, they told me na they really liked the song nga. And, yun, I was really grateful na nagustuhan nila. And then, yeah, nakakatawa nga kasi ni LSS talaga sila eh. Like, all day, talagang kinakanta nila na parang I think I love you, ganun. So,
The song
nakakataba
itself
ng
is very,
puso,
ano,
definitely.
very
Yeah.
nakaka-last song
Immediately, top 5
singing.
siya ka.
Yeah, yun na nga. Nagulat din ako eh. Nagulat ako, syempre.
Sa tingin mo, ba't siya nag-top 5 ka? Dahil sa fanbase, pero syempre fanbase.
Yeah, for sure. And also, syempre, yung vision naman talaga sa song is a song na mag-resonate nga sa mga Gen Z. I'm happy na Gen Z rin yung fans ko. So, yun, they really like the song.
Is ba parang wanted to venture into music? At when did you realize na may singing voice ka pala?
Not really. Actually, in the start, I was really shy. And in my head, na
Really
I
shy.
couldn't sing. But then, sabi ng voice coach ko na everybody can sing. You just have to be confident and you have to memorize the melody, the tonality of the song. And then, yun, just sing. Yun, so I feel like, yeah, I believe her na now na everybody can sing.
Anong mga next music na abangan namin?
Gusto ko yung medyo slow, about love,
Gusto ko rin,
parang
yes.
palagi.
Itong
Sexy
kanta, di ba you were
song,
saying,
ganun.
you chose this song kasi
Hindi
it
ko bagay sa kanya yung
resonates with
sexy
you
song.
personally. Ito ba yung team song mo ngayon?
Ay,
Not necessarily.
So saan ka naka-relate doon na part? Ba't mo nasabi na connect?
Tagal na kasi to.
So at that
Tagal na kasi to sinulat. Try.
kailan to? Sino?
Pwede. Tagal na kasi to.
At that
Tagal na kasi to sinulat. Try.
kailan
tagal
to?
na kasi itong sinulat. Ano daw dami mo si Kerwin yun?
Pwede.
You say na tinatawag siyang Barda Anthem.
I'm really grateful for
For
the
the
TikTok
anthem.
edits, ganyan. And I'm happy na nagustuhan nila. I also hope na nagustuhan ni Barbie. Sabi naman niya, catchy daw yung song. And then,
Ay, hindi
talaga,
ko nagustuhan ni Barbie.
I
Nagmamatter talaga
also
si
hope
Barbie sa
na
kanya.
nagustuhan
Oo
ni
naman.
Barbie. Sabi
Bakit
naman
naman
niya,
hindi magmamatter?
catchy daw yung song. And then, ayun, sana siya yung sa music video. Let's see if she is not busy at that time. But I would totally understand. Again, syempre yung concept din eh. Baka hindi naman fit din sa kanya, di ba? So,
Ano yung process mo, David, bago mo masabi yun
namahal ko yung babae.
in real life?
Ayan.
Siyempre,
Ngayon ko lang ito napanood yung full
step by step
interview,
naman
ah.
ng pangliligaw sa start. Mag-date kayo, ma-message ka,
Malandi talaga
chat-chat.
siya. Charis.
Kaya mo makapag
Alam mo, ituloy natin to. This is King of Vlogs. See you on the next vlog. Bye.